Countryman, countrywoman, I throw a big time salute. I also when they find any fire play when I find on herself. And so the thing they so they give una this information them. We go run let's say like Usain Bolt. What happen, countryman, countrywoman? Now Samuel Eto'o feast for that side for Côte d'Ivoire. What happen for Côte d'Ivoire? He don't snap his ass. He barrier for his ass. He show am say. A fine way be neighbor with the president. That means say for Côte d'Ivoire, Samuel and Eto'o fees, Ege has for the way in near president he has so a neighbor for president for Côte d'Ivoire. Now so the thing day, if you don't show you apartment for France, a snap it talks a sweet home, and then show you watch for 841 million francs CFA. Where you don't buy young and then it show you plenty thing now. I will tell you say this one I lock una up. Una wanna be to say I don't poor, I be wretched now. I want show una say I be the man of the situation. Another matter day, country people. Today, the one now what happen. Now Marc and brys where Pascal Clément Samuel Eto'o don't cut his book. Clément Eto'o cut his book for Sika Weti. He be FIFA agent for match. He talk say Marc and brys don't accuse he, say he don't make escroquerie, he don't do so. When a Marc Brys he says second meet up, tell he say they never pay my salary since 2 months, and I want leave Cameroon. And for before I want leave Cameroon, I want no say my contract they know put me trap say if I leave they go home me say me they pay me my pay government. He send the contract now for Clément Eto'o. Clément Eto'o now look all place, look at he see I'm fine. Clément Eto'o now all the lawyer they look the contract, they say so thing the way they be put inside the contract say if Cameroon government not pay Marc Brys for 60 days, he get right for talk say contract don't finish, and then they give for pay the debt, they give for pay reparation for about 500 million. So user now, Clément Eto'o say he sign now he send me the resignation letter. Marc Brys sign now with his hand. So that other talk there, they talk say this so na piratery, they don't do it for a message, na this and that, na fake, because he converse with Marc Brys and then he get audio them, authentic audio them where if he show up for talk say Marc Brys don't talk plenty lies. So he one court book now for lie for Marc Brys. He say Marc Brys they be friends since 20 years today. Say the surprise. Say Marc Brys they made that kind of gono so that gonna kind of way Marc Brys they make them. You know they understand how the thing happen. Say you want watch your name, you want clean the image, you know want remain under stress and under blackmail. You don't correct so you lawyer them for cabinet metre Akum and associate. They don't carry the matter. They go before with them. And then another one, the man way he own a show palaba. Now president for Botafogo na so here say if you take player them for Botafogo, you need a tchatchou, you make show, bend down pick paper, say make the I wanna understand no man picking with one man picking. So now so the thing day. Countrywoman, we come for day now enter the matter for Mireille Blanche. Mireille Blanche talks with you don't vex. If you take some picking them, train them, say you go take the 3 best one them, pay them salary. That way if you need train them. The first one tell you say if salary way one a minimum na 300,000. The second one tell you say one continue school, no one do it, no one working. The third one tell you say get on salon. Now we salon way you go continue work. So you don't make some comment where if vacants for vacants so they go past place. Say no one help people them again. Say anytime we help na trouble. Anytime we help na maramangurung wete. Anytime we help na maramangurung wete. So na so the matter it day. They picking the way they be kidnap them for that side for far north region them. Eto'o don't make money, contribute money, so it don't be 5 million something. Now Eto'o that, he don't send the money for the mommy. The mommy picking they be come for that side for far north, they carry out they for can go school, they be there for that bus so they call it say touristic. Now so kidnappers them, they take all man for moto, people they don't pay go, the mommy no be get money, or the year say they don't kill one of the picking. Or the 5, now 4 they remain, and then the people they will come up from the 50 million where they ask them to 5 million, and that's why the year now say Eto'o don't give order, make us say people don't contribute that money, people don't send in their contributions, so the money don't reach the amount, as I be talking now, so the mommy don't get that for your hand, but will not get any information if the mommy don't take that picking them. Now so the matter is countryman, countrywoman. Another matter that super dogmo when a comedian he talks about it. They say Cameroon no be a country they do anyhow. They catch people, they kidnap people, they ask ransom, they do this show, palaba. The one they need respect value for human rights and human value again for Cameroon. It's just the anyway. Vanessa tchatchou na know you will be lost picking time this small. Why don't receive it for one of my program them. Vanessa tchatchou, you don't write some note for social media. Apparently, Vanessa tchatchou, they accuse Isa Chiroma Bakari. Vanessa tchatchou, no place where he picking day. The people where he thief he picking na some magistrate or woman. In no place where that picking day. And he didn't say Isa Chiroma too. He did for some kind matter for that matter way. One try for begin hide the matter for go be for that matter way. The team will go be for the matter way, go be for the play way. They want go begin hide time. Now that the team know where we blow. Any man know, man no know. Now the matter that. So now for yeah, we'll go end this small matter. We want give una this day do a Pidgin program. And now look up. We salon now. Bachare.